Alright guys, welcome to Zion Traders YouTube channel. So this is simply the part two of episode 21, I think. So 21. So guys, so these are the trades I took on my crypto, right? So account. So we'll just we'll go through all the trade one after the other so you guys can see everything, right? So these are all the trades I took last week, right? So the first trade I took, which was note coin trade, was simply a break-even trade, as you can see right here. So let's quickly go to my chart and let's see what I did there, right? So note coin, I'm actually not sure that chart is still available, guys, but let's just check it out. It's still loading, guys. It's still loading. Alright, so Notecoin, I actually don't know. I can't tell where I took the trade, guys, but I know that it was a break-even trade because I really don't want to go through that trade. So the next trade I took was I only took one arrow out of that trade. You know, I reached $2.5 per trade, so it was Ethereum trade I took. That was the next trade I took, Ethereum trade right here. I'll tell you guys why I took that trade, and I think I took two Ethereum trade this week. So this was right here, so you can see, guys can see it here. So I took the trade here. This was the candle that tagged me in, and then it started dropping. But before I knew it, price got to my target was 4 arrow, but price got to 2.7 arrow, and then it reversed to stop me out, my remaining position out. So you guys already know that when my trade gets to 2.2 arrow, I do break even, right? So I do take out partial, sorry. When my trade gets to 2 arrow, I take out partials on my trade. So that's what I did here, and that's the reason why you can see this right here. So I took out these two, they're actually the same trade. This one and this one, they are the same trade, right? So if you look at it, the entry the same price, right? So just that I took out partials, it was remaining partials that ended on this break even, you can see right here. So this was the trade I took, and I was actually anticipating that to continue dropping to take out this external liquidity, but price did not. Alright guys, so that's actually that. For this BNB trade, let's just check it out. This BNB trade, I actually dropped this trade. I can remember I dropped this trade on the group, and then it was a lose. We lost the trade, guys. We lost the trade. This was the trade, guys. So we lost the trade. I was actually hoping it will continue selling, right? So looking at the 4-hour time frame from that region, let's check it out, guys. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, you know, price had hit, I think this was daily order block, right, on a 4-hour time frame. So price traded into this daily order block. So what I was looking at is price continuing to trade lower. That was actually what I was looking at that very day. So on the 4-hour time frame, our price market structure wasn't so clear, but then because I was like, oh, this guy is still going, is going to sell, is going to sell. If I had checked properly, guys, I wouldn't have sold this here. I wouldn't have sold this trade here. I wouldn't have sold it because looking at the 4-hour time frame, the market was not so clear. The market structure was not so clear because we had a fade low here. This is a low that was supposed to come and take it out, but it didn't take it out. So it was just trying to come up higher, but because it had some struggles here, so I just took the trade. I wasn't supposed to take this trade, guys. So I think I see where the error is now, guys. I was just looking at this daily time frame. I was like, it's going to sell, it's going to sell, it's going to sell. He did sold, but then he did sell at that point where I entered. So it sold after it stopped me out. So guys, that's it, guys. That's just it. That was a losing trade. So we lost the trade. For me, it only took out. I took out. I already took move my stop loss to 50%, right? Of I reduced my stop loss to 50%. That's why you can see it's only minus 2.1 point something dollar here. So for BTC trade, this one, it was just a total loss because I know I also dropped this signal on the group. So it's just as if any signal I drop on the group, the signal does not work out or something. Guys, trading there sometimes it's somehow. So let me search for that trade. Okay, I know it was at night. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame. It's like I deleted it already. Alright, it was this point here I took the trade. I can still remember, guys. So I was like, okay, our price has changed character here, and we would like to see that we would like to continue trading higher. So, and also, so what made me to that, what even gave me more confidence was seeing that price had traded into the fair value gap here, and then giving a change of character on the 4 hour time frame, guys. I was like, oh, let's push higher. But then where I forgot to see that, look at this, on the daily time frame price actually we were very bearish. On the other flow was very bearish, and price actually took out that. It was a liquidity grab. Price grabbed the liquidity here, the previous day high price, that previous day high candle, price grabbed that liquidity, traded it to the daily time frame order block before it started dropping. So these were the things I didn't see that day, and this one I didn't see it. I didn't pay much attention to it. So we lost the trade, right? So we lost the trade too. So guys, that's it. And this one again, it was a break-even trade. This Ethereum. Let me show you guys the trade. I didn't drop this Ethereum trade on the group anyways, but then this is pretty the trade. You can see it actually went my direction to some extent. But let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see why I took the trade. This is the reason I took the trade. I was like, okay, since price had this is the last bearish candle, right? This is a bearish candle, and then a bullish candle taking out this bearish candle, and this bullish candle traded higher, taking out this candle, took out this next bullish candle, right? And then I was like, okay, now what is going to happen is price has retraced, right? It has come back down into this order block, right? Right, it's not a high probability order block, make sure you know that, right? So price had come back into this order block, so we'll go to see price continue trading higher. This order block will support price and will continue trading higher. That was actually what I saw that day, and what gave me the confidence to take the trade, guys. So coming into the 4 hour time frame, I saw that we had actually changed character here. We changed character to the downside here, but then I also saw that price was actually struggling. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, price was struggling. Price tried to continue trading bearish, but then look at it. Price broke this structure to the downside. It returned. Price was supposed to come and take out this structure again, so we'll continue being bearish, right? That's actually what price was supposed to do. To be that's actually normally, but then price did not. Price fade and then came and gave us a break here, and then I was like, wow, so we are going to this sell is getting exhausted, right? So we are going to continue going bullish here. That's actually what I anticipated and what gave me the confidence to take the trade. So I just took the trade here on the 15 minutes time frame. Price then traded into, I think, one arrow in profit and 1.6 arrow in profit, and then it reversed to take me out on break even, guys. So these are the trade I took on last week. How many trades? 5 trades I took during the week, last week, in my crypto account, and you guys can see we actually lost trade, and we are minus $2, one arrow for the, which is the last 7 days. These are my last 7 days profile, right? So hopefully next week, which is sorry this week, we are going to do better, guys. So hopefully this week is going to be a profitable one, guys, and we're going to recover our losses. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for staying with me up to the end of the video. Good luck, guys.